Download and extract the latest CV-IOT desktop application installer at this URL. Double-click to launch. Do not change the installation folder location. Click Next. If the computer has a previous installation, click Yes to continue. Click Next. Complete installation, click Next. Make sure both Add MongoDB and Create a Desktop Shortcut are checked. Click Next. Message will come up stating Ready to install. Click Install. A message will come up stating Installing. It should take 20 to 30 seconds. A Microsoft license agreement will come up for new computers. Check to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Install. If a failure message comes up, not to worry. Software may have already been installed, creating a failure notice. Click Close. A Setup Complete message will come up after installation. Click Finish. The Metcal IoT platform application icon will appear on the desktop. Double-click to launch. The program takes about 30 seconds to load. You are now ready to begin onboarding CV-IoT modules and start collecting data.